and my friends and colleague who are working in this principal, this Mumbai bench of CAT. It was pleasure working here for almost 7 months now, and this 7 months tenure putting here, I have completed 38 years of government service. I joined central government service in class 1 grade way back in August 1986. At that point in time, my age was 22 and a half years. And from that time onwards, I have kept on working at various places in the country. And from the very first day itself, uh, that kind of habit that you have to give your best, if you expect best output, then best input is required to be given. So that is not a principle which is to be adopted in your official work. When you bring up your own family, as family people, your own children, you have to give them best opportunity and best support in whatever form, if you expect best out of them. So therefore, this particular principle we have followed, me and my wife, while bringing up our kids also, and we have enabled them to perform in better fashion by providing whatever resources we have in best manner. So it is a very arduous, tough work, but over a period of time it brings good and outstanding results. So one has to be very, very disciplined if one has to go long in one's career, and one has to attain steepness, height in your own career. So without discipline, nothing can be achieved. Buddha has said that while giving a discourse, Buddha says that those who follow the canons of discipline, Panchshila is a Buddhist concept where 5 precepts are to be followed in one's life. Buddha says that if you follow those 5 precepts, every belief system has some precept. Christianity has, Hinduism has, Sikhism has, every Jainism has. So if you follow that, those disciplines over a long period of time, it creates confidence in you to make arduous and hard effort, which ultimately will bring knowledge to you. Knowledge about success. And those students who, in a disciplined manner, I apply these to students, young people who are going to colleges and school. If they study hard in a disciplined manner, at young age they will be very, very successful, and they will be able to do whatever they want to do. So with that, I think intention, I have worked all these years, and I always say to my colleagues with whom I work, that if every day coming to office does not bring happiness to you, then it is no worthwhile coming to office. You take leave and sit at home and relax or go somewhere. If coming and sitting on this chair in office is not bringing happiness to you, definitely you will not be able to do good that day. So it will bring drudgery, tiredness, unhappiness over a period of time in your personality. So therefore, whenever you come to office, bring positivity, bring best in you, and then you will expect that things will fall in line for you also as an individual. In my career, we have built teams of people working with PM to maybe officers, giving them responsibilities and monitoring them, guiding them, coaching them, helping them, and then over a period of time they come up as a very, very, say, knowledgeable and responsible individuals. Unless we give responsibility in any system, we cannot create a good worker. And good workers, today we find it very difficult to find out why, because experienced people are retiring, new people who are joining, they are not taking those jobs seriously. They may be novice also, means fresh also, which require assistance, guidance, help, knowledge. That institutional memory in every institution is going down. So therefore, one generation of people who are right now working, they may have to work very, very hard to carry forward the great legacy of those institutions. So fortunately, we are at this juncture working in those institutions, it may be our office, it may be anywhere else which we may go, we may have to say make earnest and hard effort. Earlier job, as Honorable HOD has said, I worked for 8 continuous years. I joined as Joint Secretary, I became Secretary to Government of India, Special Secretary in the pay and grade of Secretary. So that honor was given to me by the government, present government, and that kind of faith they had. That's why they gave me 8-year-long at a stretch stint to work, which enabled me to process appointment of more than 1,700 judges in High Court across the country, and around 2,500 recommendation I may have processed. I made my office 24/7. I worked with 7 ministers, 6 ministers, and sometime dead of the night, maybe around 11, 12 o'clock, minister will call you on your mobile phone. He'll ask what information on certain point. So if you don't have that information, what purpose you are kept in the government? So you have to prepare to handle that kind of challenge. So I think I will not give long lecture. And it was pleasure working here for 7 months. My first posting was in Jammu, and later on in Ooty also I worked. I still have a connect with my people who are working there, who may have retired. Good number of people have retired. Some are working who were young that point in time. So whenever we go, me and my wife, we meet them, we talk to them. Whenever they come to Delhi side, wherever we are,